Hello everyone. Today we will study about the chapter Why do we fall ill? What is health? Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. It depends upon following. Number 1, proper sanitation. Number 2, pure cleaning water. Number 3, balanced diet, and number 4, social equality, etc. What is disease? Disease means not comfortable. One or more system of body will change will give rise to symptoms like loose motions and fever. Classification of diseases: physical, caused by damage to body parts like fracture; mental, caused due to brain damage like depression; deficiency, caused by inadequate diet like marasmus; inherited, caused by defective genes like hemophilia; social, caused by social interaction like alcoholism; infectious, caused by attack of pathogens like typhoid. Types of diseases: infectious and non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases: the diseases are brought by external factors. They can be transmitted. Diseases are caused by the attack of pathogens, for example, common cold. Non-infectious diseases: these are brought by internal factors. They cannot be transmitted. Diseases are caused by other factors, for example, goiter. Chronic diseases and acute diseases. Acute diseases are those diseases which last for a short period of time and the patient completely recovers after treatment. They cause a long term effect, whereas chronic diseases are those diseases which last for a long term and patient may or may not completely recover after treatment. They do not cause a long term effect. Congenital and acquired diseases. Congenital diseases are those diseases which are present from birth, like genetic disorder, and acquired diseases are those diseases which develop after birth, like marasmus. Means of spread of diseases: airborne diseases. Diseases which are transmitted through air are known as airborne diseases. Waterborne diseases. Diseases which are caused through water are called waterborne diseases. Vector-borne diseases. Diseases which are caused or transmitted through vectors from a diseased person to a healthy person are called as vector-borne diseases. Antibiotics and how do they work? Antibiotics are chemicals produced by microorganisms which are in a very little concentration, which have the ability to destroy pathogens. Some bacteria form a cell wall to protect themselves. Antibiotics block their chemical processes of forming cell wall and block their biochemical pathways. It is harder to make antiviral medicines than antibacterial medicines because viruses have a very few biochemical mechanisms of their own. Other medicines reduces pain or bring down fever, etc. But to conserve energy, we can take bed rest. Types of antibiotics: broad spectrum antibiotics, they help to kill wide range of bacteria. Narrow spectrum antibiotics, they are effective against only a few types of bacteria. Principles of prevention of treatment. Public hygiene is one of the basic key to the prevention of diseases. Access to safe drinking water and clean environment. Development of immunity by immunization. Availability of proper and sufficient food for everyone.
Give her.
Important terms: pathogens, a bacterium, virus, or other microorganism that can cause disease is known as a pathogen. Immunization: it is a process in which a weak pathogen is introduced into the body so that body can develop immunity against it. Inflammation: the automatic response of the body like fever, swelling, etc. towards an infection is known as inflammation. Thank you.